In this video, we're going to show you how to customize WooCommerce processing order email from this basic one to this professional and branded one. You can watch the full tutorial below the description to see each step in details. Now, let's get started with us. After installing the plugin, you navigate to WooCommerce Settings, choose Email tab. You will see a lot of emails to customize, and today we will customize processing order email. And this is the original email design of WooCommerce. We will make it look better. First, drag an image. Change the size of image. Change the padding. Edit the text. Change the text color. Next, modify the order details table. Below that, we insert a button. Change the button text. Enter the button URL. Change the background button color. Adjust the border radius. And for the last part, we insert the contact information. Add some social networks below. So we've completed customizing the email. Save and have a preview. Next, we will visit the store and test the email. Add the product to the cart. View cart. Proceed to check out. Place order. Order placed successfully. Now let's check the email to see how the email looks. Here it looks much better. The video ends here. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.